welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Afia Blessed Evelyn, aka Afia the Chimney, aka you know the name she called me. So today I'm going to do a video on snacks. I know, right? I know there are so many snacks in China that we are so scared or skeptical to try. So I was online a few days ago and I saw this box of snacks. They retail for like 48 RMB. That's like less than $10, I think. So I decided to buy it and try it for you guys to know. Maybe you know they don't taste as bad as it is. So I'm here today with my friend Levinsky. You know those kind of friends that don't have any choice, they just have to.
I was literally
about
to do this video.
So she's going to taste these snacks with me today, because if anything goes wrong I can't be the only one. So she's here to taste these snacks with me, and I haven't actually opened the box yet. I received the box today, so I haven't opened it. I want to open it on camera so that you guys will see what exactly it looks like and what comes in it. So let's get right into the tasting and the opening of the box. So this is how the box is, and then we open it. Ooh, okay.
Ooh,
And it's
shit.
like this, you know, with some snacks in a bottle. Maybe I should pour my glass of water into this. This is so cute. Okay, so the snacks are in here. I don't know.
Oh look, it's a little smiley face.
Yeah. I knew it. I was like, this tasting gonna be shit. Oh, there's actually a lot of things in here.
Damn, honey.
So it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. So we're going to try these and see. Maybe not all, because this is too much. Like, this video is gonna be hella long. So we're just gonna try it.
Pour them all out on the table.
Okay.
Whoa.
Ooh, let it rain. Okay, guys. So we've tried as much as possible to try and group the snacks. So
We all know this one.
yeah, but this is the green one. I've never tasted the green one. So let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing that I think we should try is this prawn crackers. Maybe you guys know this prawn crackers, but I see
Let's
it a
try the
lot.
nasty ones first. The ones that look nasty.
Good idea.
Yeah.
So that we can use the sweet to wash it down. That's how we should go. The nastiest thing.
The
I think,
nastiest looking thing.
okay, looking then I think is on this table is this shit right here. I don't know. Is it an egg?
It is what do they call it? 5-year egg. That's what they call it. Oh no, 5-spice egg. Wuxiangdan.
Oh, what is it?
5-spice.
Oh, Wuxiangdan. Oh, yes, egg.
5-spice, like you know the star anise and basically Chinese 5-spice.
Okay, good. I left the scissors here because
Hey, I don't want to try the egg though.
I
Yo.
also don't want to. Actually, give it. Smells like.
Oh my god.
Smells like soy sauce and
Smells
egg.
like it's gonna be so salty.
Oh.
It literally smells only like soy sauce.
Do you wanna? Okay, you guys. I think this video was about it because I don't wanna eat this.
I quit.
I don't wanna. Take the first bite.
No, you go.
No, it looks like you can handle it more than I.
I
That's why I brought it here. You're
You
the
buy
strength.
this shit, honey. No.
Ew, you guys
Let's
see how
go.
it looks inside. Oh. Okay.
Oh no.
No, you guys. You see? Don't judge a book by its
You
cover.
know what? You know I think you like it because it's salty and you like salt.
Okay, yeah, it's salty, but it doesn't taste
looks
as
salty
bad
as
as I
hell.
thought it was gonna. Taste it. It doesn't taste as bad, so this egg is not really a bad thing. I legit see she bought the tissue because she thought I was gonna spit it out. See, it's not that bad. But the only thing is, I actually don't like.
I've had like.
I actually don't like egg yolk, so
I've
it's
had
out the way.
like not the one in the package, but like the one they sell on the streets before.
Okay, yeah. But they look like meat, but it has so much oil. These
What's
things,
the
I know you
difference?
guys see it around, but I don't know. Let's see.
Did you show them?
Yeah. There's so
No, you
much
try the
oil.
yellow one. I'll try the blue one.
Oh, there's yellow and blue. Okay. Probably spicy and not spicy. I don't know.
Ooh, smells spicy as shit. Yo.
Yeah, this one
smell
too.
it.
I think this
This one
is a
this one's
spicy one.
spicy.
Yeah,
No, it's hot. It's like dry meat.
This is hot. I just literally touched it.
It's like sweet and spicy at the same time. Oh,
but this thing is. How did you bite it?
Spicy as hell.
What meat is this?
But the gag is it's not meat. Imagine if it's not actually meat.
But this is nice.
Yeah, it's
For
not
those
bad.
people that enjoy sweet, sour things put together, maybe you like this. But it's not actually bad. It's not bad. Because I've been seeing this thing around and I'm like, nah, I don't really like snacks like
it's
that.
like dry meat from home. This is
Yeah,
probably
but
Chinese.
sweet. Yeah, but sweet and spicy. The oil, though, actually will eat this. The next thing we are going to taste is these small, how am I going to describe this? You know, I don't know, for Ghanaians, you know that bread, like they fry it, I've forgotten the name, but that's what it looks like. You see, it's like braided, kind of, but this is hard. It's really hard. I don't know what it is, but
I don't know what's that thing that Chinese people eat with soy milk for breakfast. Like they just say it's fried, like the big one. This looks like the small one.
yeah, yes, but this is hard. It's really hard. It's like cookie, like a cookie, but it's really hard.
Yo, that meat was
And it
spicy.
It smells like that is it
Like
Danish
peanut
or
butter.
it smells like
No,
butter.
it smells
though.
like bread.
Yeah, like bread, but like that kind of cookie that smells like bread.
Really sweet. And dry.
That was not that bad,
Yeah, it's crunchy. I like it.
but it's carbs, and I'm not trying to eat a lot of carbs, so. I'll
Tell
put
me
the
this
rest in.
doesn't look like dog shit.
Dog shit.
Not dogs, but
This looks like
it looks like shit though.
yeah, but is it like rice something?
Okay, let's try that next.
Okay,
Okay.
let's see how this tastes. And
This one is.
this is how this one looks.
Oh, it's actually rice. Haimi, black rice.
Wow,
Maybe
this looks
guasha.
black to them. Imagine what they think of me. Okay, let's taste this. Oh, it's sticky, you guys, and it has like really
Nuts. It has nuts.
yeah, and it has nuts in it. These nuts. Sorry, guys.
I actually like this one.
You do?
You don't like it?
It's carbs, honey. So the next thing is this. It looks like beans.
Yeah, I think it's dry beans.
Yeah, but it's green beans.
Oh yeah, it's green peas. Like dry green peas. Let's share one.
Okay. Oh, I only take comfort in this because it looks like pistachios, you know.
It's not gonna taste like pistachios. Salty as hell. Oh, I like it.
And I don't know, it just tastes like some kind of nut. That's all.
You know, I actually hate green peas like when they're fresh.
But it's nice. You guys should try it. No, the thing is, I think most of these Chinese snacks aren't that bad. Except for, I personally, like, I'm just scared to try it.
She's
things
so
like that.
choosy. That's why it's hard for her to try it because
I'm just
her
scared.
standards are so high.
Wow, honey.
Literally, when she's sick, I even refuse to cook food for her because I know she's gonna complain. So
Yeah, now I feel bad.
just carry on.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to taste is this cookie. Most of the names are in Chinese, so sorry, okay, we don't have a translator to be doing this right now. But they're written mini cookie, so I guess it's just a single cookie in the pack. Smells like cookie anyways.
It literally translates to mini cookie. Mini shell
Really shall.
cookie.
It really tastes nice. Really tastes nice. But the truth is, if I saw these in a shop, I would never buy them.
Shouldn't you be showing them what it looks like from outside the pack?
Oh yeah. You have a little smiley face with an okay sign. Really nice. Okay, so the next thing we are going to try is this. It looks like donut or an onion ring. I don't know which is
not
which.
an onion ring. It's chocolate flavored. so it's definitely
Chocolate. Okay. So let's try this and see. Ooh. This, they deceived us, okay? It's a lie. See the picture out here and see what's in here.
Mmm, just like Cocoa Pops.
But it doesn't smell like chocolate. It smells like candy.
It smells like milk. That's right. It's literally Cocoa Pops.
Yeah, like Cocoa Pops, but I don't know. I wouldn't really try this again. It was right.
Oh, don't waste it.
They deceived us.
No, I like it.
Really?
It's lying.
I'm not lying. I don't like it. She does. So next thing is these potato chips. But the only thing, I think actually when I checked online, most of the comments I read through were mommies buying it for their children. So that's why it's so
that
many.
explains why we're eating it, because
we're children
we're
of God.
childish.
Okay, so yeah, classic potato chips, but smaller.
That was so dry.
Maybe we should have gotten kids to taste this. It doesn't taste bad though. That's it. So the next thing is this. I don't know what it tastes like.
I've seen a kid eating these before, like the big ass pack.
I literally
No,
don't want to
that's
taste it.
very
These are these are the
candy.
snacks that like you see in town and you're like,
It's Chinese candy.
you're like,
Oh, they're
small
so
cookies.
cute.
mm.
The smell is so strong. Like, it's not strong, it's strong.
She's that strong.
The smell is so bad, yo.
I want to
Eat mine.
taste it.
I
Tell us
tasted it.
what does it taste? I didn't see.
It tastes sweet. It tastes like dried strawberries.
Yeah.
It tastes like dried strawberries.
It tastes okay, but the smell
It
is
smells
like
really off-putting.
it's not worth it. Nope. Next thing we're going to try. I feel like we all know how onion rings taste. Don't want to get into that. It's just classic onion rings. And next thing is koi mori, Japanese crackers.
Seaweed flavor.
That's what they say. What is this? Trans fat. Oh, is that okay? This is seaweed flavor. I love seaweed, so I think I'm gonna like this. Did it give just one?
Yeah.
They gave just one of this, so I guess it's really nice because I feel like the nicest things they give you, and
That's that Ghanaian mentality.
let me kill you. I'll let your ghost make the rest of this video. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Because it's seaweed, so they thought to make
Oh, it smells good. Like fish.
make them like fish.
Oh, so cute. It smells nice.
It's nice. It's sweet.
It really tastes like seaweed.
Yeah, it's really
Like-
nice.
Nori.
You guys, don't be scared to try Chinese snacks. They're really nice. Some of them, anyways.
Not the egg.
No, not the egg.
You liked the egg.
Yeah, but the smell.
Okay, what else?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this used to eat this in first year.
First year in
yo.
school. That's how I'm like. These are like oats cookies, but this one they're saying delicious oat chocolate. So I guess it has chocolate in it. That's what it looks like.
Yo.
I remember I used to eat it a lot when I was studying for exams. Just munching these while you try to cram some things. How's the inside like?
It smells like milk.
Yeah, this one I love it. Why did they lie to us? This has no chocolate in it.
No, look. Yoshangwa. It's actually milk flavor.
But they said oat.
Maybe that's
Chocolate.
like the name of the brand.
They lied to me. That's what I'm gonna say. But this is still good though. I didn't have to taste this to tell you guys, but this is really good. Yeah, it is. It's very good for studying. So, you know, you need some milk.
Try it out.
Okay, you guys, I'm cutting down on my carbs so I can finish this. Oh, Oh, next thing is this candy. These scammy ass candy. This is a scam, you guys. Like the package, I don't know. See, this is where the candies are.
Just show the package and bring out the candy.
I'm trying to show. See, this is air. Hell no. What the hell is this?
Let me see.
But I'm not mad because I think it's for kids, so I'm not mad.
Oh my god.
I'm not
Are
mad.
you fucking serious? I just cussed on camera. You're cutting that part out.
Oh, it's orange. Actually, tastes nice.
It tastes like oranges.
It's not bad, but these are for kids, so I guess this video is gonna be for you, know, if you wanna watch.
Even if it's for kids, they can't be scamming people like this, yo.
Come on, if you give a kid all these snacks, God, I'm gonna be so happy.
It's sour.
Sweet and sour, orange with
I like this one. I like sour candy.
Okay, so the next thing is this Classics series Good Taste. Let's see if I'm advertising.
Let's translate what the hell that is.
This is your Classic Series Good Taste Hong Yuan Foods Company Limited. It's written Tui Wu Mei, so
Tui Wu Mei. What is that?
I'm waiting for you to tell me. Okay, so this is how it looks like, but you can see at the back that it's it looks like date, but I don't know. You didn't find it?
Tui Wu. This one.
Yep. Mei.
I need floss. I feel like there's something stuck in my teeth.
It is a candy.
Oh, it's plum. Not.
Black plum.
I don't like plums, yo.
It smells, I don't know, it smells somehow like vinegar to me.
Yeah, I think they use vinegar to ferment it. No, it smells like plums, yeah.
Yeah, but then I can smell vinegar. I've never tasted this before. Never in my life.
Let me know how it goes.
What? What did you say?
Let me know how it goes.
We will both know how it goes.
Oh, it's wet. Why is it moist?
Okay, let's count. One, I don't know. I just know I'm not gonna like this. I don't know. 1, 2, go. Oh,
I hate plums, yo. I can't.
You guys.
It's so bad. I need this.
But some people might like it. It's like, you know, it's sweet. And
it tastes like it's healthy for you. If that makes any sense.
Yeah, I'll take comfort in that and just chew this up. What the hell is that? I think it has a seed in it.
Ew.
Ugh, I never aspirated it. Sorry, guys. Just when I thought I could handle it. Ooh, this looks...
No, that's
Xiao. What is this?
fish.
Oh, fish. I like fish, but...
No, I don't want.
Honey, we're
Look,
tasting...
we have this.
We're tasting everything. This is what? This is chicken.
Duck.
Duck.
Oh my god, no.
By the way, I bought Peking duck today, and I guess where I bought it from, they didn't really cook it or serve it well, I guess, because it wasn't nice at all.
Like I said, high standards. It wasn't that bad.
Oh, you tasted it too. I mean, it wasn't nice. I had to spit it out.
How long has this fish stayed in this packet is my question.
These are like all these small babies. In Ghana, we call them Keta school boys, you know, Keta from the Volta. I don't know. Don't let me just say anything.
It smells like eggs.
No, it smells like fish.
It smells like egg yolks.
Come on, it doesn't smell like egg yolk. I hate egg yolk, so I know
No,
how
I
it
was
smells like.
burping because I've been drinking a lot of water.
It smells like fish, and it tastes nice. Who is that?
You go.
You're gonna zoom in on that.
So the next thing we are going to try is this, and according to my Chinese baby here, it's duck. So we're going to try this duck. Let's see how it tastes. Let's see. What's popping, yo? What you doing?
This looks
Wait,
nasty.
let's see if it's nice
It already
first.
looks nasty as hell. I don't even.
I guess it
wanna-
smells like duck. It smells like dumplings to me, anyways.
Smell. Really? It smells like meat.
Yeah, but like, you know, dumplings, they put meat in it, and like when you bite into it, it's like that meat smell comes out.
So it smells like meat.
Don't tell me this is a duck's neck.
Oh hell no!
Oh hell no!
Nah, B. You mad tripping?
This tastes like meat, like, you know. Some of the things, it's like when you swallow, you can go. I don't like the taste. What's that sweet thing we ate?
Tastes bad.
It's really a bad smell. So this next thing, the picture on it is rice.
Is that rice?
Yeah, rice and something else that I don't know. But they've written Thailand fried. Ruby's out here munching on the orange candies. Oh, you guys, this is literally fried rice, okay? Not the fried rice, not the fried rice you receive at weddings, but
A chow pan.
this.
Let me see. Like dry rice, that is.
Yep.
How did they cook it? I'm so
No,
curious.
they literally fried it.
Like it was boiled and then it was fried.
No idea. But it doesn't taste bad.
Oh, it smells like ramen noodles.
Mm-hmm.
Like when you put like the seasoning packet.
It's really nice. It's not bad.
How are we supposed to eat this?
The next thing is this Franzi green tea cookie. I've actually had other types of this
Other
Franzi,
flavors?
yeah, and they were really nice, but I have never tasted the green one before, so
Green tea.
that's what they say.
I thought it was matcha.
They're going to make us end up eating this because we would think we are drinking green tea. Okay, so this is how the packaging comes. I know most of you guys in China have probably tasted. And they're actually green in the package, like this.
They literally look like matcha cookies. I'm pretty the same with the other ones.
But I can smell like a tea kind of flavor.
No.
No? No, don't smell with your nose, smell with your in.
No, say it, let them hear you. Smell with your what?
Your spirit, bro. Okay, guys, we are almost done. And we
I
have
think we're done.
these. We're not gonna taste. These are like some blueberry shit. Sorry, blueberry something.
Sour candy.
And finally, the
Love
last
that
thing,
sour candy.
they added a packet of milk tea. I guess that's why they added this bottle, so that you can make a tea, put here, sit down, and enjoy all these delicioso candies and snacks. Anyways, yeah. So this was interesting because some of these things, like, truly I wouldn't buy them if I found them in supermarkets. But some of them also don't taste that bad, a whole lot. But it was fun.
And
It was nice
most of
tasting.
it was empty.
Yes,
Most of it
and
was
I
just
guess
the
I don't blame
packaging.
them. I think it's because it's for kids.
That is no excuse.
Come on, for a kid, this is big. Come on,
It's
if you
big,
keep,
but even if it's for a kid and you're saying that's enough, then they should make the packaging smaller
yeah, you know, they just put air.
instead of misleading. This is
Yeah.
not for kids. Adults eat this as well. Like we have needs, you know. Let's snack.
Sorry.
I'm pissed, man.
On behalf of I don't know what's the name of the I don't know, but
You can
it's
just
box
leave
of
their link
snacks.
down below. For
Yeah, I think I'll add the link because it's really nice. You know, sometimes when you're bored and you need things to do, just order a box of this snack and just amaze yourself.
Eat to stupor.
Okay. That. Okay, guys. So thank you for staying through to the end of the video. You're going so much. If you are already not a subscriber, please do. I'll be very happy. See you on the next one. Bye. Say bye.